Good day, my name is Angelo. This is Nation Voice Tower, your most preferred YouTube channel. How have we been? As we over here, we're doing just okay. These are the updates for today. Now, there is jubilation everywhere. You know why? I'm going to break it to you right now. Yes, every Nigerian right now has been jubilating, and I felt I should share this with you. Atiku Abubakar, the presidential candidate of the PDP, has won the case against Bola Ahmed Tinibu as U.S. court, the court in Illinois, orders Chicago State University to release Bola Ahmed Tinibu's academic results. Are you as happy as the Nigerians are now? Yes, we all are Nigerians. We should be happy, and if you stand for justice, you should be happy about this. Now, the judge in charge of the case, Judge Jeffrey Gilbert of the U.S. District Court of Illinois, has ordered the Chicago State University to quickly release the academic results of Bola Ahmed Tinibu. Aside ordering the immediate release of Bola Ahmed Tinibu's academic records, the judge from Illinois, Judge Jeffrey Gilbert, also ordered a deposition of Chicago State University within 2 days, where officials of the school will be questioned under oath. Yes, they should be questioned because from what we've heard over time, that school's running process should be, should be questioned. There should be an audit on their financial records and all that, because I feel that that school has been existent under the platform of fraud and should be addressed. Okay. Yes, so kudos to everybody that put hands on deck to see that this case was a reality. All right. So having waited for some while, it is now news, or it's now evident, and everybody has heard that news that Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar have finally filed a petition, or they filed a request or an appeal against the courts, or the courts, as regards the judgment of the Presidential Elections Petitions Tribunal. All right. Yes, so they finally filed their appeal to the Supreme Court. Let's see what happens or unfolds afterwards. All right. That's on that particular update. Yeah. Secondly, something has happened on a very, very sad note. Yes, on a very sad note, happening today at Ehimembano in Imo State is an alleged massacre of personnel of the Nigerian Army and personnel of the Nigerian Police Force, all right, lying dead in a scene that looked like burnt vehicles were actually used, or were actually the means of their own death. All right. Although viewers' discretion is allowed on this next video, but it is just sad that we've lost, or Nigeria has lost, some army officers and some members of the Nigerian police force. All right. There are allegations around that members of the IPOB, Indigenous People of Biafra, or members of the ESN are actually suspects of this heinous activity. All right. Why these soldiers were shot down and these officers were shot down and burnt, I don't know. Watch this video. When we come back, we'll talk more about it.
Lay ambush here, and the person who went to give that information was one of them. Not known to them that we were dragging them to killing zone. So, they just ambush here and then open fire what they were calling.
One of the things, we have leaders from this area, we have our brothers and sisters who live around here. This battle has to be collectively fought. People must volunteer information. Because these people, they don't just emerge from heaven. They live around here, they live among us. And to the glory of God, the soldiers and other security officers have been able to manage their temper. This kind of thing is very provocative and very sad, and I feel so hurt. It's a terrible situation where officers will come to protect, to work for us, and people will come from nowhere and just ambush them and take their lives. We are not God. We pray to God. God will take care of every situation. As human beings, we also do things to console and do whatever we can to support the families. And while praying for God to give them the fortitude to bear the loss.
Alright, so without wasting much of your time, that was the video there. And I told you that we'll continue to, we'll continue to bring it to you, the truth as it is. Yes. And I will say rest in peace to those soldier men there that lost their lives in this attack. Alright. Yes, now finally, I would love to say that security is the #1 priority of every Nigerian, okay? So if those in power cannot take security very, very importantly, I don't think they should be in power at this point, alright? Finally, alright, there was a press briefing by the Civil Liberties Organization, CLO, urging the judiciary to save the NYSC, the National Youth Service Corps, scheme by ensuring that Governor Peter Mbao of Enugu State and Honorable Minister Anatu Musawa, Minister of Culture, should actually be disqualified and asked to step down from their various political offices. And this is what this group called the Civil Liberties Organization, CLO, are saying. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, let me allow you to listen and watch this group while they conducted themselves during the press conference and their agitation, and listen and know how legit their agitation is. Please stay tuned.
Discharge certificate from the National Youth Service Corps. The National Secretary of the CLO, Halima Ibrahim, was speaking in Abuja. She also condemns the continued stay in power of the Enugu State Governor, Peter Mbah, after the NYSC disowned his discharge certificate.
The same constitution also makes it mandatory for any university graduate in Nigeria to possess the NYSC discharge certificate. For us in the CLO, this presents a moral burden on Ms. Musawa, who should reject the appointment and resign her position immediately.
Alright, you've watched the video, and that is it. Yes. So without wasting much of your time, we'll keep our eyes to the ground, I beg your pardon, to see what these people will do, how they would act to their bosses or any other negative behavior that erupts over time. Alright, I'm so happy for having this update because of the first one about Atiku that has won that case. Alright, so we are waiting Chicago State University to bring out the results of Bola Tinibu, whether doctored or not doctored. That is the aim of waiting that long. Now, before I call it quits, I would love to urge our viewers to like our videos, share them. Don't forget to drop a comment for us in the comment section. Please subscribe to this channel, tap the notification bell so that you would always get an update anytime I drop a new one. And watch till the end is very, very important. From our table here, we're saying, see you next time. Bye.